In this video, I'll show you how to see videos you have liked on TikTok. So if you've been scrolling through TikTok and you've been using the like button here to show some appreciation to that TikTok video, and now you want to see all those videos again, then let me show you how to find them. So the videos which you have liked will all be in your profile page. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Now you want to go ahead and tap on your profile page here, the top bottom right. From here, you want to go ahead and find the heart icon, which will be just at the right hand side. Now once you do this, you'll see all the videos that you've liked on your TikTok profile page. So as you can see, this is a recent video which I've liked. And as you can see, the heart has been highlighted. Now if you want to remove this video from this liked page, go ahead and tap on the heart icon, go back, and that will be removed from your liked page. And there you go. That is how to see all the videos you have liked on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.